Okay, this is grade 8 code.org animation and games unit. It's lesson 5. It's variables. So the focus obviously of this lesson today is working with variables. So just like in math or algebra where the variable is representing something else that can be changed, it's the same in programming. So the variable acts as a placeholder. So for the coding part of this, what we're going to be doing is declaring and assigning a value to a variable, and then we're going to declare the variable in the program. So what you are going to be doing here, basically, you're going to set up a variable, you're going to give it a name, give it a value, and then you're going to take that variable and you're going to put it into your programming for the objects that we have been drawing, like the rectangles and the ellipses. So that's the basis of what we're going to be doing. Part 2, there's a video. Watch the video. He does a good job of explaining things to you. So a couple of things. In the game lab, we have the instructions up in this section. You also have help and tips. If you click on that, it'll go back. It'll show you the video. You can look at the map levels. You can look at stuff from previous lessons. It'll help you do this lesson. On the instructions, if you don't understand where to put the variable, click Show Me Where, and it shows you where. So on this part right here, they want you to predict what the outcome of this is. I'm going to have to blur this out right here because I guessed and I got it right. If you think about it, it'll be pretty straightforward and simple. Again, help and tips is up here. Make sure you scroll when you're doing these and you see all the directions. And then once you go from there, you're going to go into level 5. And again, here's a good example of where you gotta scroll. Okay, so you want to go from the overview to the end here. When you get to the final part of the lesson, you have a little flag here for the lesson extras. You should go into these and you should do these challenges here. You just click try it under each one. So there's the robot one, the one with the red dots, and this one with the cell phone. So that's what you're doing today. Any questions? As always, ask me. If you need to get my attention, just call my name. I was walking down the street actually earlier today, and this guy walks up to me and he says, "What rhymes with orange?" And I said, "No, it doesn't."